Hello graduates, welcome to today's edition of How to Properly Attend the Grad Acknowledgement event. Step 1, AHS Guidelines. Before you come to the event, we need you to ask yourself and your family members, have you come in close contact with someone who is a confirmed case of COVID-19 in the past 14 days? Do you have any of the following? Fever or chills, cough, shortness of breath or difficulty breathing, body aches, headaches, sore throat? If you do, we ask you kindly, please not to attend today's event. As you prepare to leave your house, we want to make sure you have your cap, your tassel, your stole, and your gown. Okay, graduates and families, as you are driving to your grad event, it is very important that you approach the building from the south side. I know it's a day filled with fun and excitement, but for safety reasons, to follow AHS guidelines, we need you to pass the student parking lot and please enter the school from the south side. Once you get to the staff parking lot, it is very important that you look for the designated staff member, and they will direct you and guide you to the proper parking spot. Hello, staff member. I'm so excited for today.
Congratulations, graduate.
I'm so excited. I can't wait.
Now, what is your name, graduate?
It is Sarah Warner.
Excellent.
Class of 2003.
You got it. You're graduating officially today.
Can't wait.
So exciting. Now, what I'd like you to do is I want you to park in parking spot number 1. You can see it on the pylon over there.
Yes, parking spot 1, correct.
And I'd like you to just stay in the car, everybody in the car, until another staff member directs you to get out.
Okay.
Just so we kind of maintain social distancing.
Of course.
Any questions?
Thank you, Miss Parsons.
No problem.
So excited.
So,
grads and families, we will now go park into my designated parking stall.
all right, graduate, it is time to exit the vehicle. Bring any family members you wish, up to 4. So it's you and 4 people. What I'd like you to do is just kind of congregate right in the parking spot across from you. You're welcome to take photos, but I need you to stay in that area just for now.
Okay. All right, family, let's go. Hi, graduates and families. It is important that you stay here in your staging area until a designated staff member tells you that it is safe to approach.
All right, graduate, bring your family with you.
Come on, everybody. Graduates and their families will proceed to an assigned seating area. Please be sure to maintain social distancing with those not in your family while moving through the parking lot. Graduates will be directed to the Graduate Acknowledgement Zone one at a time, and one family member will be permitted to take photos in the designated photo zone when their graduate is being acknowledged. Hi everyone! There'll be a moment that you will have the opportunity to do a tassel flip. You may choose yourself to do this, or you may choose one family member who will take your tassel from right to left. This will signify that you have officially graduated. Once all graduates have been acknowledged, families will return to their vehicles. When it is time to leave, it is important that you drive safely and be aware of other people and families in the parking lot. When it is time to go, it is important that you head towards the boulevard, towards Pizza Hut. This will help us guide other families who their time slots are next. I will proceed out this way towards the boulevard.